One of the things that sets Cloacina apart from our competitors is that our packaged wastewater treatment plants are shipped as complete systems, not individual pieces of equipment. Prior to shipping, every Cloacina plant undergoes rigorous factory acceptance testing of all plumbing, electrical, mechanical, and control systems. Every tank is filled to operating depth and the system is run and tested as if it were in daily operation. If we find a defect or something isn't quite right, we fix it before it ships. Here's a behind-the-scenes look at our factory acceptance testing process. Tankage is cleaned and leak tested. All welds on the tankage are brushed and free of splatter and slag. All welds are cleaned and passivated through an electrochemical passivation process. Equipment is bump tested for functionality. Flow testing for pump rotation and leaks. All equipment is electrically tested and the results are recorded. Sensors are tested and calibrated. Membranes are tested. The control system is tested in both manual and automatic modes. The control system's alarms, trending, notifications, and set points are verified and recorded. All manual processes are performed and adjusted for easy operation. Equipment serial numbers are recorded. All factory set points are recorded. Lastly, the system is cleaned and prepared for shipping. Cloacina's factory acceptance testing program results in the shortest installation period, the most cost-effective commissioning, and the smoothest startup and transition of any wastewater treatment plant. Thank you for joining us on our behind-the-scenes look at our factory acceptance testing program. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or comments.